As a network of boys and girls clubs, we operate in a huge and diverse landscape. Clubs are in virtually every community and serve youth from all backgrounds. Just as every community is unique, so is every club. This diversity is one of our greatest strengths. Yet we are all united by one mission: to enable all young people, especially those who need us most, to reach their full potential as productive, caring, responsible citizens. Decades of research on after-school programs has yielded a simple yet profound finding. While it's important for young people to regularly attend an after-school program, it turns out that attending, even attending frequently, is simply not enough. To truly impact young people, an after-school program must be high quality. Otherwise, we miss out on a significant opportunity to shape their lives for the better. But what exactly do we mean by high quality? To reach a common understanding of high quality, research across many clubs was done. These results led to what we now know as the 5 key elements for positive youth development. Clubs provide the 5 key elements when members feel physically and emotionally safe, and when they receive support and recognition from caring adults who set high expectations for them. Members are also given opportunities to try new things, have fun, and feel a sense of belonging. Together, these factors are known as the club experience. And in fact, we know from research we've been doing for several years now that when young people have a high-quality club experience, they have better outcomes and more positive growth. They have better chances of building good character, of making healthy choices, and of succeeding academically. In other words, clubs truly can and do change lives. But when we look at all of our club members collectively, how exactly are we doing? As a group, are members having the club experience that will help them thrive? To find out, Boys and Girls Clubs of America worked with researchers and clubs to develop measures of the 5 key elements. This set of measures, known as the Club Experience Indicator, was incorporated into the Member Survey that's part of the National Youth Outcomes Initiative, also known as NYOI. The Club Experience Indicator is an indicator of quality at the club level. It captures whether or not the 5 key elements are being implemented successfully and consistently. The indicator is made up of 7 measures that all tie back to the 5 key elements. Each measure is made up of 3 to 7 questions. The indicator was developed based on extensive research and was pilot tested with a number of clubs to make sure that members understood the questions and the way they're worded, and to make sure that questions are relevant to their club experience. Remember that the NYOI Member Survey is intended for members who are ages 9 and up. The Club Experience Indicator gives us a youth perspective on the club. It doesn't directly assess club and staff practices, making it an indirect indicator of quality. Now we know that the Club Experience Indicator is not perfect. No single indicator can ever be, especially when it relies on answers from human beings. However, when this survey is administered with care and when its purpose is clearly explained to members, it provides us with rich information about what we're doing well and how we can improve. This is actionable information that can be used to enhance the club experience and to foster a better environment for our club members. Because thousands of clubs are participating in NYOI, this data allows us to learn from one another. And because NYOI has been in place for a few years now, clubs can look at changes and trends over time. All of this is in an effort to honor the perspectives and voices of the young people we serve. So here's what we can take away. 1. The 5 key elements for positive youth development are critical to our work. 2. The Club Experience Indicator is a measure of program quality that aligns with the 5 key elements. 3. This indicator is rooted in extensive research. 4. It honors the youth perspective. 5. And finally, it allows us to gauge our strengths and areas of improvement at the club level. For a more comprehensive quality assessment, using additional tools to supplement the NYOI Member Survey is extremely valuable. These can include the NYOI Staff Survey, short-term measures of the club experience, and observation tools. Please be sure to check out the links so you can access these tools. Thank you. Thank you for all you do every day to ensure great futures for the young people you serve.